So my experience here as the first artist as a visiting artist has been really amazing. This space is insane. I've never had natural light in a studio ever. My studio has no natural light, so this, and coming in and seeing this view every night at sunset is like incredible. It's just an inspiring place to be. My name's Bill Thelen. I'm an artist, curator, and teacher here located in Raleigh, North Carolina. So the project started with this look at architecture within the Southern vernacular, and then as I thought about it, and as Jerstin and I thought about it a little bit more, it became something a little bit bigger. And the whole idea kind of has boiled down to this idea of the biscuit. And the biscuit as kind of a representation of what we kind of think of when we think about the South. So on Saturday, when people walk into the multi-purpose studio, they will encounter the Biscuit Station, and in that they will be able to walk up to a 10 by 14 feet replica of this kind of imagined place where they can order a biscuit. And once they order the biscuit, we have people working at the Biscuit Station in the back, preparing a unique print of what they've ordered. And then beyond that, there'll be the Biscuit King will be on view, and also the Biscuit Kitchen. I know it's very confusing. Biscuit Kitchen in kind of a working place.